Good morning, students. Today we will read Lesson 4 The Enemy, written by Perles Pug. In the earlier video, I told you about the main characters of the story and the main points of the story. Now, I hope you all might have read the chapter. Now, I tell you the story of the chapter in detail. As you all know, that Dr. Sadao is the main character of the story, and in the first pages of the book, you might have read about the childhood of Dr. Hockey. Dr. Sadao lived in a stone house that is located upon the rocks well above the narrow beach, and he used to climb the pines, watched islands, and played along the coast. When he was of the age of 22, then he went to America and returned after 8 years, became a surgeon and scientist. Now, the armies, that is Japanese and Americans, they were at war, but Sadao was not sent along the Japanese troops. The reason behind this was that the general of the Japanese troops was ill and he might need Dr. Sadao. As the general was not having faith on any other doctor except Dr. Sadao. And the second reason was that Dr. Sadao was perfecting a discovery that would render wounds entirely clean. So he was not sent along with the Japanese troops. Now, Dr. Sadao, as I have told you, that he was of the age of 22 and he studied surgery in America. In America, he met Hana, and when he was sure that Hana was a Japanese girl, then he fell in love with Hana and he got married with Hana after taking permission from his father. Now, after that, now his father had already died, and now one day, when he was standing in the veranda of his house, he encountered a man near the ocean. He was a man of 17, US Navy, and Dr. Sadao saw that the man was wounded and he was bleeding, and the blood was coming out profusely from his body, from the wound. And now Dr. Sadao thought that what he should do, whether he should take him inside his house or not. But as he was reminded of his duty as a surgeon, so he decided to take the soldier inside his house and do the treatment. So now Hana and Sadao both carried him to their house, inside their house, and they took him to Dr. Sadao's bedroom. And then Hana first didn't want to touch the man, and she asked Yami, the maidservant, to wash that man. But Yami refused. She said that she won't wash the white man. So now Hana herself had to wash that man, and then Dr. Sadao operated upon that American soldier. Now Hana also assisted her husband Dr. Sadao, and she gave the anesthetic to the patient. She saturated the cotton in the anesthetic and put it near the nostril of the patient, and Dr. Sadao did the operation. Dr. Sadao removed the bullet near the kidney, and so in this way he tried to save the life of that American. Now He also gave the food to the American. The prisoner was fed and rested to recovery but was anxious for his future. So one day he asked whether he would hand him over to the police. Then Dr. Sadao said that he has not yet decided. Now the servants, they have also threatened to leave the house. Now there was a conflict between duty as a doctor and duty as a true patriot. So now he has treated the patient. He has operated upon him. He has performed his duty as a surgeon. Now he also wanted to you know perform his duty as a as a uh, as a citizen of the country. So he he was afraid of being called a traitor, and so he decided to tell this uh, to the general. So now he informed the general that a American he has done the operation of an American prisoner of war. Then the general, instead of punishing him, offered to help, offered him help, and he said that he will send his private assassins. Assassins means the murderer. The assassins would kill and remove the prisoner quietly. Now Dr. Sadao kept on waiting for 3 nights. 3 nights passed, no assassins turned up. Then Dr. Sadao made up his mind to make arrangement for his escape. Sadao gave the prisoner a boat, extra food, clothing, bottled water, and a flashlight, and covered his hair with a black cloth, and directed him to row to an uninhabited island, and asked him to wait for a Korean fishing boat, and told him to flash the torch twice if he ran out of food, and the flash and flash it once if he was all right. In this way, the prisoner escaped. And the next day, again, he told the general about the escape of that American prisoner of war. Then the general tried to justify his action. Now he said that he had failed. He had failed in doing his duty towards his country. It is not that he has failed in doing his duty towards his country. He justifies his action that it was due to his illness, ill health, and not due to lack of patriotism, that he has forgotten to send the assassins. So now Dr. Sadao felt that he was safe, and then uh, and then he wondered. He thought over his action, and he wondered as to why he had saved the American. And again he thought that he hated the Americans. He hated that Americans are their enemies, but he still he saved that American, and it means that humanity overpowered his feelings. So that is all about this story. So you should read this lesson again, and in the next video we will discuss the questions. Thank you.